Like any NBA game that happens in the US.
This NBA game?
An NBA game or any short format game that happens in the US. This is going to be a 1.5 hour show. And it's going to be for 6 months in the year. So every Sunday, 4:30 to 6, people will be tuning into the show. So I don't
that's a first in itself. So you've never had a 6-month reality show.
So it'll be a 6-month reality show, and the whole idea is to get people to make it appointment viewing. And I believe it will take time. It's not going to happen overnight, but we are very convinced with the show. We are very convinced with the format, and we plan to rejig the format a little bit this year. And let's see. We are hopeful.
I don't think you're going to argue with two heads that are involved with this. It's going to be fantastic. But there's a slight difference also. This time we're making two teams. There's going to be Pool A and Pool B. And if you could just come on the other side, Raj sir. And Ekta, if you could just be here. We're going to do a little lucky draw. Each of you will pick out one chit. And one team will be placed, and then we'll have the leagues or the pools first to say. So, Ekta, we'll start with you. If you could just pick one chit out, and I'll read that team out. Mumbai Tigers is the very first team. We're just getting your board out to put it over here, okay? So, put it over here. No, you've got to put it up there. Alip, here, yeah. And stay on stage, please, with us. Arjun, andar le jao, pura, wonderful. Let him concentrate. Now you can do that. Arjun! And Arjun, come on Ekta's side. You're going to be on this side. Raj sir, your turn.
I said I'm always close by. Pune.
Pune and Mohun Rattan, you're in Raj sir's team. Come on. Hello Divyanka, how are you? You're in a rival now, but doesn't matter. Wonderful. I need you to Divyanka to be on that side. हाँ, पहले आप इसको यहाँ पे डाल दो. इसको यहाँ. Okay, yeah. Let me just put that in for you. See if you can slide it in. Yeah. Very bad carpentry. Slide in here. Please come outside and help her. Yeah. Okay. Wonderful. So Divyanka, you're on that side. Ekta, once again, the next team, if you could pick up. Obviously, there are 10 teams, so there'll be 5 on each side. Ahmedabad Express, you're next. Come on. At least have the team that had the whole family on stage screaming shout. Fantastic. Nandish, below the Mumbai Tigers. This is in no particular order, it's just random selection. Raj, your turn. And Nandish, just stand here. Yeah.
Chennai Swaggers.
Chennai Swaggers, come on. The gorgeous Sunny Leone. You're going to be on that side, Sunny. Raj sir's side, yep. And I just could have, yeah. If you could just put that in from the other side, yeah. So Mumbai, Ahmedabad with Ekta Kapoor, and Chennai and Pune with Mr. Raj Nayak. Let's see now.
जयपुर राज जोशीले.
जयपुर राज जोशीले आ जाइए स्टेज पर.
Hello.
We were missing a sari on stage. She's looking so beautiful. Come here, यहाँ पे डाल दीजिए अंदर. And that's the third team on this side.
Kolkata, Babu Mishai.
Kolkata Babu, come in this side. Come here, this side. Kolkata Babu Mishai, there's my team. My team is sleeping because they're looking for the other team. Come on! There we go. Oh, there we go. Big round of applause for our team that is in that league. That side, buddy. So we've also gone through great restructuring after the first season. 8 new members. I'm getting used to all of them slowly.
Rowdy Bangalore.
Rowdy Bangalore! You're Ekta's team. Come darling over here. Wonderful.
Delhi Dragons.
Delhi Dragons. Yeah. Delhi Dragons is in Ali. Yeah.
Chandigarh Cubs.
Chandigarh Cubs rounds it up. See, this is it's a skill game. Wahi, dexterity, use of hands. Come on. Anita over here. So while Wahi struggles with that, Wahi, it's a rule. Those who don't do it can't go and stand over there. You have to put it in completely. Okay, we'll leave it at that. Can somebody help him out, please?
Lucknow Nawabs.
Lucknow Nawabs. Wonderful, Wahi. Well done. Thank you. That's enough. Let's stay. 1 sec. As you can see with my mic, I'm refraining from such comments, Patel. Okay. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We've got Pool A and Pool B. Mumbai Tigers, Ahmedabad Express, Chandigarh Cubs, Jaipur Rajyoshile, Rowdy Bangalore. Is Ekta Kapoor's side. A big round of applause for them. And on the other side, we've got Pune and Modratan, Chennai Swagers, Kolkata Babu Moshais, Delhi Dragons, and Lucknow Nawabs. Obviously, they will play against them, and eventually there'll be quite a few round robin matches. And may the best team win. A big round of applause for them. But I did promise you that Sunny will play some cricket, Ekta will play some cricket, Raj sir will play some cricket. So can I get the bat, ball, and the wickets on stage? So all those who have been lying about how they play shall be all visible today.
You're not serious, right?
Absolutely serious. I've got, in fact, I'm expecting every ball to be hit in the ground, so we've got 12 balls. We're going to take 2 overs.
See, every time I bowl to Ekta, I wanted to hit a sixer.
We'll see who wins the bazi today. Cricket to डाल दो पहले, stumps to लगाओ. नहीं वहाँ नहीं लगा रहे.
Salil, I can't play cricket, yeah.
You haven't?
I've never played cricket.
We'll make sure that every ball you hit is a 6. Even if it's not 6, we'll make sure it's a 6. Come. Now हो जाएगा. Come.
I spell cricket with a K, yeah. Okay. One sec. So I'll give this choice to you, Ekta. Which side would you want to back? That side or this side? It's up to you. Which side, do you want to be photographed from? I want my Vastu guy here first.
Anybody can help out? So you want that side or this side? You choose. That side. Okay. This side is fine. And boys. Raj sir. Sunny, I want you to do the honors as well. You will have to bat also, you'll have to bowl also. Each one ball at a time. Just throw it. Yeah. So it doesn't matter. Wahi, you're from this side, so you'll keep wickets. You have to just hit the ball as you hit it. Okay, so ball 1. Sunny Leone bowling to Ekta Kapoor. A big round of applause. फील्ड का क्षेत्ररक्षण करते हुए सनी लियोनी सोच रही है बॉल कहां डालेंगी, लेकिन अभी उनको बताया गया कि सीधा स्टंप्स पर ही डालना है. 1 टप्पा 2 टप्पा, it doesn't matter. Sunny, you can do underarm, overarm, anything you want. Just don't hurt Ekta. The BCL hasn't started yet. Yeah, exactly. And that's a ball. Stop catching the ball. Let it go to the boundary. Okay, second ball. Well done, Ekta. First ball 4. Oh, on the front foot, she takes it on the full. Well done. And the last ball by Sunny. Oh, it's okay. It missed the stumps. Done. Thank you so much, Sunny. That was wonderful. Raj sir, 3 balls by you. Not at all. You still continue to bat. Sir, don't cheat and don't swing the ball. Lovely shot.
Excuse me, please.
So obviously, Ekta, you've been practicing because you said you spell cricket with a K. Well done there. And another lovely shot. So this is too easy. So by my calculations, 44 runs have been scored in the last ball. You have to come and beat that score. Trying to spin the ball. Actually, swings it to square leg. Big round of applause. Now your turn to bat. No, but it's only 6 balls, Ekta, now. Now it's their turn to bat. Well played. Big round of applause. Now, Raj sir, I choose you to say whoever can bat. Who would like to bat? It's okay. Somebody else can also bat. Who would like to bat? Yeah, Raj sir should bat, but you दिव्यांका को दे दिया है बैट. अगर हार भी गई तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, दिव्यांका ने हराया हमें. Oh! Anita's bowling. Sunny's not bowling. Anita, calm down. Not so competitive. Please. Slowly. Okay. Raj sir, now you have to come and back because now she's got Devyanka out. अब अनीता तुम आओ दोबारा जरा. हाँ. Sir, up to you. Oh, the stumps have been placed right. Oh! Anita, will you please behave yourself? थोड़ा धीरे बॉलिंग करो यार. Loop the ball, beta. Loop the ball. Oh! And that's been for the 6. Wonderful. Now, Sunny, you have to bat down popular demand. Come. There we go. Just, yeah. The other side. Yeah, there we go. Kavya, एक second. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, white ball.
बॉल तो
कामया सीधी बॉल फेंकनी है आपको सीधा स्टंप्स पर बस. अच्छा चलो 1, 2, 3 गो. अब तुम्हारा फुल टॉस बॉल. But the pose was perfect, Sunny. Wonderful. It did look like we hit the shot. That's it. कैसी बॉलिंग कर रहे हो आप? हटाओ मेरी नजरों से. Wonderful. I think that. So, absolutely. Last ball to be bowled. I leave it to you all to choose someone. So, Nandesh, you picked it up, now you bowl. Okay. The girls come. Oh my God. ये तो बीमर है. You're disqualified. You're disqualified. Hurry, give some time. Okay, thank you very much. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. That's done. Ekta, your hands down the middle. You hit every ball into the crowd and they all try to get you out. So let's be generous with our applause. And now that we have all the team representatives on stage, do stay on stage. Can we get these stumps out, please? Can I get some chairs on stage, please? And then I'm going to call 2 gentlemen, without which this would not have been possible. Again, one who I've been seeing in the gym for the last 12 years. He's 54, but he still looks 30. So don't be fooled by his looks. He's very fit. A 17 pack he has. 2 boys who started on a mission about 2.5 years ago and managed to convince every single actor that we should actually come and play cricket. Sunny and Anand, big round of applause for them. They have thought of this concept of BCL. Made it so big for us. We love them. And now they're all a big team. And boys, we would like you to say a few words also. आंखों में आंसू आने चाहिए यार. It's season 2 happening.
हाँ यार, एक्चुअली आंसू मेरे को आते नहीं है, बड़ी कोशिश की.
अच्छा, but obviously you're very happy once again that it's huge and bigger, better. 6 months on TV, that's going to be a long time. या तो परेशान हो जाएंगे या बहुत ज़्यादा TRP आ जाएगी. But how are you feeling? I mean, now that the stage is set for such a huge season 2 here.
See, I'm very happy. Basically ये कॉन्सेप्ट ऐसे बना था कि मेरे घर में अगर कोई शादी होती है ना, तो संगीत और सकन के साथ साथ क्रिकेट मैच भी फिक्स हो जाता है कि सब रिश्तेदार आ रहे हैं, खेल लेंगे. और सब लड़के लड़कियां, भाई बहन, कजन सब खेलते थे. तो बस उसी को दिमाग में रख के हमने फॉर्मेट बना दिया. बस एक क्या होता है कि जब लड़के खेलते हैं ना, वो लड़कियों को या तो विकेट कीपिंग कराते हैं या फील्डिंग कराते हैं. इसलिए
Only fine leg में fielding. And not in anywhere the ball can go.
तो हमने कहा फॉर्मेट ऐसा बनाते हैं कि टॉप 4 में एक लड़की का बैट करना जरूरी है, पहले 4 ओवर में एक लड़की का बॉलिंग करना जरूरी है. और जैसे राज सर ने कहा कि वी आर लुकिंग एट क्रिएटिंग अ फॉर्मेट लाइक NBA. सो आई एम श्योर विद 2 giants, that is Ekta Kapoor and Raj sir, we are very sure कि this is going to be rocking. This will be rocking.
You know, so what you mentioned actually, let me just clarify for you. So in case you're wondering if the girls are going to be just standing around, if you haven't seen the last season, no. So they have to bowl in the first 4 overs. They have to bat in the first 4 batters. So, you know, it pretty much becomes fantastic because last year, the girls pretty much won the matches for them. Because all the boys think they all can play. But if you can't have the girls play really well, then you can sort of end up losing match. So, all the girls very crucial. And that's why this is actually the only unisex league that there is. You know, so a big round of applause for them to actually think of this. And then to get beauty, along with us men, works pretty well. आप कुछ बोलेंगे sir?
धन्यवाद.
He is a silent partner but very sweet. He's also giving my check, so he's nice. Anyway, so what we're going to do now is, I've chatted quite a bit. You all can please take your seats and I'm going to open our questions to the press. No, there's going to be chat. I don't want music. Thanks. Okay, so I can't see anything. So anybody ask any questions? Koi bhi questions there? Anybody want to ask something? No? Don't want to ask? Okay, I'll ask. Okay. So Vahi, I'll start with you. Where are the mics? Can I get some mics on stage as well, please?
I have my mic. Salil.
Okay. Yeah, actually, you know what? Can we just get Ekta and Raj right in the middle, guys? So, yeah. So, yeah, now this should come there. Okay. So, some of them team owners, some of them key players. And, yeah, go ahead. But first, I'll chat with you, Vahi. You play really well. He's a very good player. He was a man of the match last year as well.
Thank you.
यार ये season 2 जो start हो गया है, what are your expectations? You're gonna have to fight with me, but sadly we're in the same side, so there's no fighting. But excited once again that season 2 is starting.
Very excited because I think the main reason हमारा जो मेरा जो main reason है, cricket has always been first love. और last time हम सबको बोला गया था कि यार तुम दिल्ली वाले ना बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिकेट खेलते हो, तुम मस्ती नहीं करते हो. Unfortunately या fortunately, I think for us. The main players or most of the players that we have in the Delhi team are people who've actually been cricketers and then have become actors. So हम लोगों को ये बहुत I think we're just here for the love of the game यार.
And I think we all actually feel that also. हम लोग रात तक rehearsal करते हैं, including you, Anita. Every day for practice, this girl is there even today, first up. So you know, just for your enthusiasm, I love it. And you've also been very serious about your teams. Barka and you both are always making sure that everyone's out there. रुला भी देते हो, खाना भी लाते हो. You are the mummies of the team.
But we enjoy it too, so it's fun and.
And Barka, you're no nonsense. I heard that you're very strict with your players. Is that true?
That's so not true. Please, मेरी टीम से पूछे मैं
नहीं उस तरफ देख के थोड़ी ना बोलना है. You have to look at me and tell me.
But come on, 2 लड़कियां हैं, इतने सारे लड़के हैं. अब you know who rules.
So you have to crack the whip. Maybe they enjoy it also, है ना?
Yeah, we
Come on, boys. Let's play cricket today. Okay, so let's go to the middle as well. Divyanka, you still got your headgear on, fantastic. So you're in a different team. She was part of our team last year. So it's nice. She's actually been traded in because she's got $1 million to go across. But apart from that, now that you're in this league also, you had a little bit of a shock when you met me last year. You met all the players last year. All of us very aggressive. But are you happy again that part of BCL 2 as well? Your show is super hot, you know, as far as on television is concerned. So you're going to have to do that as well as come for this. So it's going to be a tough 2 months.
Absolutely, it's gonna be a tough time for me, but then I'm ready for it. And I was very keen on participating in BCL 2, and why not Pune and Mol Ratna, because they were the underdogs and they came till finals. And I think I'm one of the underdogs because I've never played cricket, but I'll be working hard on it. I'll be practicing.
अगर इस बार दिव्यांका ने बैटिंग नहीं की ना फिर देख लेना. I'll hold this recording as proof. हाँ? Opening करेंगे. Oh, fantastic.
I should rather say.
इजाज़ जल्दी opening. You look like you want to beat somebody up यार. भाई क्या हालचाल? आपके हाथ में वो रुमाल है या किसी ने मार दिया आपको या आपने किसी को मार दिया?
भाई इस बार राउडी बेंगलोर सिर्फ क्रिकेट खेलने आया है.
अच्छा.
मैच खेलने आया है, फिर एंटरटेनमेंट के साथ. लास्ट ईयर मेरे को 250 एक्टरों में एंटरटेनर ऑफ द सीरीज मिला था. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. थैंक यू एकता. और एक और बात बोलूंगा, इस बार सिर्फ क्रिकेट खेलेंगे, कोई से झगड़ा नहीं करेंगे. लेकिन बड़े खड़े छोटे बैठे आलिम के फैसले अगर जालिम करेंगे तो फिर राउडी वाले बोलेंगे. और हमारा एक काम ये होगा कि अगर राउडी की छटकेगी तो लोगों के गले में अटकेगी और उनकी आत्मा ये ग्राउंड में ही भटकेगी.
I spent a week with Sidhu Baji right now and you are right up there.
कोई बात नहीं.
Imagine Sidhu Baji and you doing commentary together.
माइंड ब्लोइंग.
5 ओवर चल रहा होगा अभी तक. फर्स्ट जोक पर चल रहे होंगे आप लोग.
नहीं यार, तुमसे तो कम ही बोलते हैं यार.
नहीं. I will finish in time. We love each other, but that's beautiful, guys. So you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Arfiala, no questions, and we'll go to a bit of a photo op. And should we? Okay, sounds good. So Ekta and Raj will do a photo op with you and Sunny first. Then we'll do all the teams together. So the three of you all, if you all could just come up right to in the center. Oh, you have a couple of questions? Well, nod a little bit so I could see. Okay, let them at least finish the photo op. Let's finish the photo ops right here. Yeah.